What's up, guys? How you doing today? Medium-sized NBA trade yesterday with Trae Young being sent to the Wizards in a package that didn't involve any draft picks at all. CJ McCollum is coming over to the Hawks on an expiring deal, so basically a salary dump by the Hawks. If you are following this from a trading card perspective, the obvious one here is the Hawks are handing the keys over to Jalen Johnson. The big one here, the huge one here, is going to be people who are buying into Jalen Johnson, who are holding a lot of Jalen Johnson. I think you should see his stock rise almost exponentially. And then the bad news bears here is the obvious one is Trae Young. Trae Young is going to hobby purgatory in the Wizards. And I think that if you're holding Trae Young at the moment, you've either got to dump that as quick as you can or just pray to the hobby gods that something changes. Peace out, guys, and we'll catch you on Sunday.